Assalamu Alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Arabic Made Simple. In our previous lesson, we learned Arabic numbers from 1 to 10. Today, we are going to learn the days of the week in Arabic. Let's begin. Sunday.
الأحد.
Pronunciation, al-ahad. Meaning Sunday. Repeat after me.
الأحد.
Monday.
الاثنين.
Pronunciation, al-ithnain. Meaning Monday. Repeat after me.
الاثنين.
Tuesday.
الثلاثاء.
Pronunciation, athulatha. Meaning Tuesday. Repeat after me.
الثلاثاء.
Wednesday.
الأربعاء.
Pronunciation, al-arbiya. Meaning Wednesday. Repeat after me.
الأربعاء.
Thursday.
الخميس.
Pronunciation, al-khamis. Meaning Thursday. Repeat after me.
الخميس.
Friday.
الجمعة.
Pronunciation, al-jumu'ah. Meaning Friday. Repeat after me.
الجمعة.
Saturday.
السبت.
Pronunciation, as-sabt. Meaning Saturday. Repeat after me.
السبت.
Practice time. Let's read together.
الأحد. الاثنين. الثلاثاء. الأربعاء. الخميس. الجمعة. السبت.
Excellent. Simple sentences. Today is Friday.
اليوم الجمعة.
Pronunciation, al-yawmu al-jumu'ah. Meaning today is Friday. Today is Sunday.
اليوم الأحد.
Pronunciation, al-yawmu al-ahad. Meaning today is Sunday. Quiz time. What is Friday in Arabic?
الجمعة.
What is Monday in Arabic?
الاثنين.
What is Saturday in Arabic?
السبت.
Excellent work. Revision. Today we learned
الأحد. الاثنين. الثلاثاء. الأربعاء. الخميس. الجمعة. السبت.
Great job, everyone. Today you learned the days of the week in Arabic. Practice these words every day and try to use them in your daily conversations. In Lesson 4, we will learn colors in Arabic, al-alwan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.